Robin Hoods help poor people by taking from the rich. Robin Hoods today, you're robbing the hood. You're taking poor people's money and there's no way for them to get better. Entertainers do that. Business go in and take their money but don't reinvest. Politicians go in, get their vote, but there's no system in place to get them out of poverty, so they always need you voting for you. Social media sell you on hype. Churches help poor people escape reality, but not poverty. It's time we all help poor people because that means everyone's gonna be better. How do you do it? My mom did it. 1, poor people, you need a steady stream of income. Work at any job, but try and work every day, hustle. Number 2, any skills you have, try and sell that skill. In some way, sell a product. Number 3, spend less than you earn. Try to save. Invest in your kids' education. Number 4, stay out of trouble. Leave people business alone. Stay alive. These are the ways. Start getting yourself out of poverty.